welcome to CompareRaja. We are back with yet another very informative video just for you guys. In today's video, we'll be sharing few extremely useful tips on how to maintain your microwave oven. A microwave oven is a very widely used household kitchen appliance. Its utility for heating and cooking of food has made lives easy for several homemakers across the nation. Because of its increasingly high usage, it's extremely important to maintain your microwave appropriately. Today, we'll be sharing few tips that will enhance the life of your microwave so that you can enjoy it for a very long period of time. There are several factors that have to be taken into account while placing the microwave oven in the kitchen. The ovens that you find nowadays are called the countertop designs. That is, they have vents on the top and the sides of the microwave for the emission of heat. Hence, placing them inside cabinets is not a feasible option. It is very vital of where exactly you place this microwave because this decides the longevity of your microwave. The top of the microwave should always be kept free. Ensure that there is at least 3 to 5 inches of gap between the sides and at the back of the oven. Heat should be dissipated so that it doesn't overheat the microwave and it sufficiently cools down once the cooking is done. Electrical sockets should be available in a close vicinity. The wire that is used should be of the right size. Do not coil up the wire, put it on top of your microwave or just leave it hanging nearby. This one is going to affect your microwave and is going to give you a permanent damage. Microwaves should be placed away from the water source because if there is a water splash on the microwave, this would cause a huge electrical hazard and you don't want that to happen. So always ensure that your bottles of water, your running tap water are at a distance away. Sufficient distance must always be maintained from gas stoves and burners. They emit a lot of heat and so does the microwave. You do not want them to interfere with each other, which would cause a lot of heat in your kitchen and this would affect the proper working of the microwave. And plus, who wants to work in a very fuming kitchen? Clean the exterior of your microwave regularly, and when it's not in use a plastic cover to close the microwave. In this way, dust doesn't get accumulated when you want to use it. And nowadays, you get these really pretty pattern covers that will enhance the look of your kitchen. So why not get one? Severe damage can happen to the components of the microwave if you do not clean the interiors neatly. After every use, ensure that the inside of the microwave is clean. Well, in a way, it's very good. Because if you do not clean it, you don't want, previous food items to be soaking into the new ones that you cook. And also, these liquid and these solid parts that get stuck to the side become very cakey and very tough to clean if you leave it for a longer duration. So the best thing is to clean it after every use. I'll give you a small tip on how to clean the microwave. Take a bowl, fill it with 4 cups of water, add a sliced lime or vinegar or an orange peel, that's your choice. Leave it in the microwave, turn it on and run it on high. Let it boil for a while, and if you see that the screen of the microwave is all steamed, turn it off and let it stand cool for a bit. Open it, remove the bowl, take a cloth and just wipe the interiors of it. This will ensure that the microwave is neat and clean before your next use. It is always advisable to unplug the microwave when you are not using it. Also ensure that the cord does not have any breaks or cracks in them. If you identify them, quickly get them sorted because that's not going to do you any good and it's going to spoil the microwave. And also, one thing that is a great idea is to use surge protectors. So in any case of fluctuations that might happen, this will help to ensure that the microwave is not spoiled. It is very important to use utensils, bowls, plates that you're using inside the microwave that are microwave friendly. Using the right kind of dishware ensures that the safety of your food and the taste and enhances the quality of your food. You can use ceramic, plastic, that is marked as microwave safe, glass, wax or parchment paper. Nowadays you get this really cool silicone utensils that I like the most, but again, careful, they should only be microwave safe. Respect the weight limitations of your microwave. Do not overburden it by filling too many items inside the oven or by excessively heating it. This will cause a lot of problems to the components of your microwave and spoil the magnetron of it. A microwave should never run if there is nothing placed inside it. You must always put something so that the heat that is being generated inside can be absorbed. If you don't do so, you will damage the product for good and you'll end up spending a lot of money in the servicing. One has to be very careful every time while you're opening and closing the microwave door. And once you start your microwave, do not open the door unless the stop indication has come and it is safe for you to open it and remove the food that you have cooked. There are a couple of locks that are there on the door which have this lock and unlock sequence for the door to shut properly. If you bang slam the door every time you open it, you will ruin the sequence and ultimately damage the door, which will not shut properly, and the heat will get dissipated outside while the cooking is happening, and which would mean that your food inside is not cooked properly, and this is no good, right? So careful while you shut the door. Preset panel assists you in setting the right temperature for your cooking or thawing of your products. These are preset and you just have to click on your preset manual functions that are available on your microwave. This will allow you to efficiently cook your food and also prevent in any cooking hazards or accidents that might happen. You can read more about it in your microwave manual book that will come along with your product. Always keep an eye out on any abnormal functioning that is happening in your microwave and immediately take an action to ensure its upkeep. Keep an eye out if you have any noise that is coming or there is a spark. Usually these signs indicate that the motor inside your microwave has failed, so immediately call for the service center and get it corrected as soon as possible. Opt for an annual maintenance contract. What this does is any small issues that you have or any major problems that might arise, it will be taken care of in your annual maintenance contract and you don't have to end up spending a lot of money. So if you already don't have one, it is advisable to sign up one for all your household appliances just to be on the safer side. These nifty tips will come in very handy to extract the maximum utility value from your microwave. And these tips, you can use them for any brand of microwave, be it LG, Samsung or Kenstar or any other brand. Check the CompareRaja link in the description box to see the best microwaves that are available in the market today. And also, by using CompareRaja, you can compare prices and specifications and pick the right microwave for you. Let us know in the comment section below which tip you like the best or if there is any other tip that you'd like to share with us. Subscribe to our channel, give us a huge thumbs up if you liked our video, share it with all your friends. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep receiving notifications from us and keep seeing a lot of fun videos from us.